Quite simply, my friends, there are 3 rules when it comes to entrepreneurship and the 20% project. 1, build a product. 2, talk to users. And 3, take care of yourself. Which one do you think is the most important? As with all things, it's a mix of all 3, but really 1 and 2 here is your bread and butter. Building a product and talking to users should be an agile and iterative process, a cycle or loop that you constantly and consistently return to. Then again, if you don't take care of yourself, rush through the process, and burn out, building a product and talking to users is just not happening. Remember, you are both the compass and the engine of your project. So if you take a break for a day, your project takes a break for a day. In the next few videos, we're gonna break down each one of these steps and explain why they are such important principles for the 20% project and the MVP.